Hello guys, today I am going to show you some of the PCB printing fails. The first fail that I did was I by mistake print the whole PCB on the full page. But the real size of the PCB was this. So we should never scale the PCB size. Another mistake that I did was selection of wrong glossary paper. When I selected this glossary paper, it is a little thin one than the actual glossary paper. We first have to remove the tape on it and print on it. And after that we put this in the sandwich of this paper and put iron on edge. The mistake that I did was selection of wrong glossy paper, and the resultant was that the whole ink diffuses in this paper, and after that I was unable to make a print on this PCB sheet. The third mistake that I did was printing the wrong side in mirror position. So the result of this was the components were mirrored inverted, which resulted in burning of my ICs, and thus the result was this PCB. So we should always remember that top overlay or top copper should be mirrored while printing, while bottom copper will be remain in the same as it is. Fourth mistake that I did was selection of wrong track width. For 2 ampere current at 25 degrees centigrade, the track width should be 25 mils, and for 3 ampere it should be 35 mils. There are a couple of sites available on internet which help you to calculate the track width according to your temperature and current. The fifth mistake that I did was selection of the wrong wedge size so that the drill could be made in it. As you can see in this PCB, when I drilled that, the copper has been removed. This may result in breaking connection in the PCB. Mistake that I did was I did not rub these PCBs with steel wool before printing. The result was that the track while etching was removed. This is the PCB that has been treated with steel wool. We have to rub it so that outside layer must be removed. The mistake that I did was that I did not make the keep out layer. As you can see from this PCB, there is a keep out layer. In this PCB I didn't the keep out layer, and the print was so disturbed in it that it didn't work. Working on a strong high frequency signal, we should avoid straight curves like this. You should know the soldering temperature of the components. I have burned many of the ICs without knowing their temperature. And while working, there is a tip while working on a single layer PCB. If any connection you can't be made in the routing, so you can use a jumper wire to make the connection. And avoid contact your hand with the solder iron because it may hurt you. I have burned my hand couple of times. So you should avoid contact it with your hand. Use it carefully. I hope you learned many things from these mistakes. Keep on learning and do not worry about mistakes because they lead to new experiences.